What's up, guys? Today is Blox here. We're gonna be playing Blox. But question: why do I never play Blox? Why do I never record in Blox? I don't know. But look at this. I have usually I awaken magma. 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 Look at my awakened magma. My awakened magma is insane. So, grind. My level and my coins is it's literally ridiculous. My level's ridiculous, bro. Ridiculous. I might get a million belly. If I get a million belly, if I get a million belly, then I'll buy Venom. If I get 3 million, no. So I'm just gonna find for money and hope I get 3 million.
I'm never the same, but I'm always myself.
Just kidding, bro. I was joking. Why would I get 3 million and grind? I don't want to grind. Look at my bounty. Uh oh. My bounty, 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 my bounty. I'm running. I don't want to get chased down. I don't want to get chased down. My bounty's at risk. I'm risking my bounty. If this message comes away, then I'll leave the game. I just wanted to show off my skills. You can only walk on water if you awaken magma. So I'll do this. That's pretty much it. Bye. And also I have Mink V3. And I almost have full body hacking. And I have these bunny ears. And these are my items. But this is my level. And this is my crew. 5 people in the crew. Equals 5 million bounty. I have 2.5 million bounty, which is the highest bounty in the game. So, bye bye.